Welcome to the port of Suva, Fiji. We got the Fijian band playing down here. There's some dancers down there. They have not cleared us to get off, but we're going with Untouched Fiji over to the Pearl Resort and Beqa Bay, I think it's called, to snorkel and spend the day at the beach. Hey, we're getting off the ship today in Suva, Fiji. And these guys are taking your picture. Take my picture. All right. And we're going on a tour today. And it's hot and steamy. So we're supposed to look for the lollipop sign. And I'm not sure where that would be. Well, that's our ship, the Carnival Luminosa. This is Untouched Fiji, or Untouched Investment snorkeling tour over to Beqa Lagoon and Pearl Resort, and it was $100 US each. I bought it online. So we're finally off the bus after about an hour. Hi. Hi. And it looks like a boat harbor out here. So I'm guessing we're getting on a big boat. There's at least 40 of us, maybe more. Oh, maybe several boats. So we're on the boat and we're actually moving. So we've got like a breakwater here. So this is our boat of tools.
My thing just broke.
raining pretty hard now. Waves are crashing over my head. There's our boat, so we're headed back. It's raining pretty hard now. We're waiting here for the boat. Oh, there's the boat. Whoa! I think my shirt got wet. Oh, damn it. All right. Hi.
Hi.
So we're at the Pearl Resort in Fiji, and we just came back from snorkeling. Of course, you saw the video if you're seeing this. So, Janet, what'd you think?
It was awesome.
That was awesome. Fun boat ride too.
It was crazy.
And of course, it's still raining.
It's pouring rain.
So from Suva, Fiji.
Suva, Fiji. Hi. And Gareth saying, see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye, Ashley. Bye, Austin. Bye, Liam. I love you.